Hello and welcome to Independence RV located in Winter Garden, Florida. I'm your host, Dan Healy, and today we're going to look at an all-new 2020 Newmar Mountain Aire model 4543. It's a bath and a half floor plan, and it features the brand new Barnsley exterior full masterpiece finish. Let's take a look around. This 2020 Mountain Aire is stock number 9848, and it features the optional upgrade to the Spartan chassis, which handles over 54,000 pounds of gross vehicle weight rating when it's fully loaded. It's powered by a Cummins X12 500 horsepower diesel engine, so you've got plenty under your foot as you're approaching the Rockies. The transmission is an Allison 4000 MH 6-speed automatic transmission. The coach features many driver-friendly and safety features. It starts in the cockpit with a 6-way power swivel and heated seats for both driver and passenger. You've got tilt and telescoping steering wheel. You've got adjustable pedals. Then you've also got Newmar's exclusive Comfort Drive steering system, making it easy to navigate the roads along America's great highways. From a safety standpoint, standard for 2020 is a tire monitoring system for all 8 tires on this Mountain Aire. In addition, another standard feature for 2020 is the OnGuard collision mitigation system, which warns you as you're approaching a car from behind that you're traveling at a faster pace than they are. You'll get some audio mentions and warnings, and if you don't react, the coach will automatically be slowed by this feature. Another one of the great safety features are the 10 cameras mounted on this Mountain Aire, giving you a full 360-degree view at any point in time. In addition, you've got keyless entry available here at the door. You've got a large basement freezer by Dometic. Above, you've got a full 4K 43-inch flat screen color television, and then a pair of power pass-through trays. Great for putting gas grill, golf clubs, anything you'd like to take along on your RV adventure. Adjacent to that, you've got a large tray and then a pegboard for tools. Above the coach, you've got a pair of Gerard Nova awnings that are power, as well as a power window awning in the living room area. We're now on the driver's side of our Mountain Aire, and we're at the outside shower area, and it features an optional upgrade to the RV SantaCon waste disposal system. It also has a water filtration system for the entire coach, and there's a power rewind freshwater reel here in the outside shower. Moving over, we've got 50 amp service, and it's offered with a power rewind reel, and adjacent to it, the Surge Guard transfer switch. The additional benefit of this transfer switch, it also offers power protection. So when you're in campgrounds and there's lightning storms or poor power, it will protect the electronics and the appliances in your Mountain Aire. Next, we've got the Oasis hydronic zone heating system. This supplements the heat that's found in a combination of either the 315M air conditioners with heat pumps, as well as the heated tile floors in the coach. It also serves to give you near limitless hot water when you're hooked up to a fresh water supply. And all of this is powered by the 12.5 kilowatt Onan diesel generator. Now, let's take a look inside the Mountain Aire. We're now inside the Mountain Aire, and here in the digital dash display area, you've got all kinds of important information available for you to operate the coach, plus warning messages. Adjacent to the driver's knee is the media center, offering information regarding your radio, HDMI, its Bluetooth. It's a nice 10-inch diagonal screen. It also handles camera information. You've got more than 10 camera locations here that you can view from the cockpit area, and you can change from one to another and easily see down a blind spot on the coach. In addition, you've got the navigation here. This is a Rand McNally system, and not only does the driver have this for quick access, but in the passenger seat, there's their own monitor as well. Below that, you've got a cell phone mat for charging of the smartphone, and to the right of that, you've even got a touchscreen digital display for shades and lighting inside the Mountain Aire. The living room area on this Mountain Aire is warm and inviting. It offers the Windsor Decor package, plus it's got Carmel glazed cherry hardwood cabinetry with a high gloss finish. There are wood windowsills. On the driver's side, you've got a pair of swivel recliners separated by a lamp stand. The flooring has been upgraded. You've got king air floors with heat underneath. On the passenger side, you've got a dormy sofa sleeper. Behind it, on a televator, a 4K television. Hidden in the cabinetry, you've got a Blu-ray disc player, and above, you've got an enlarged Bose soundbar. The galley on this Mountain Aire offers plenty of culinary creativity. Starts with an upgrade with the King Air solid surface countertops. Inset, you've got a pair of deep stainless steel sinks and a gooseneck faucet. Built into our cabinetry is a microwave convection oven for all your baking and roasting needs, and below it, a true induction dual burner cooktop, which is portable, so you can take it outside should you want to grill steaks and not have smoke and grease inside the cab. Finishing up your kitchen area, you've got a dishwasher in a drawer, and here, opposite, you've got a residential size Whirlpool refrigerator offering you water, ice, and a freezer drawer below. Adjacent to it, a 6-drawer pull-out pantry with illumination and adjustable height shelves. The dining room in the Mountain Aire offers villa furniture, as well as all the other furniture within the coach. This is a Eurobooth dinette, and it comes with 2 additional extension leaves that you can put in to conveniently seat 4 people, and perhaps 6 if you bring the grandkids along. There's 2 folding chairs conveniently stored underneath the master bed. We're now in the master suite, offering a radius king-size sleep number bed with dual controller, so each person can set the number for their most restful night's sleep. Notice the ceiling, it's an acoustical ceiling for noise dampening, yet at the same time it offers 2 bedroom speakers to handle the television or the radio system. Across from the foot of the bed, you've got a 6-drawer dresser. Above that, you've got an LED 4K flat screen color television, and hidden behind the cabinetry, you've also got a Blu-ray disc and DVD player. Notice that you've also have inset in the cabinetry a multi-screen touchscreen panel which handles everything from floor heat, air conditioning, generator, monitor panels, etc. At mid-coach, there's a half bath, but now we're all the way to the rear bath. As I step up, you'll notice we have a large cathedral ceiling, which is great for people who are over 6 feet in height. To my right, you've got dual vanity sinks, and you also have the option of dimmer lights to drop them for just the perfect makeup application. On the other side, we've got a 40 by 32 inch glass shower enclosure with a fold-down seat. Adjacent to it, we've got a linen closet with a hamper below. Conveniently tucked in the corner behind cabinets is a stacked Splendid washer and dryer. And then along the back, you've got a cedar-lined closet with a safe inset for your valuables. This concludes our tour of stock number 9848, a 2020 Newmar Mountain Aire model 4543. To learn more about this motorhome or other Newmar motorhomes, please dial the toll-free number listed here or visit our website at www.independencerv.com. Thanks for viewing today.